Before a highway is built, before a dam is constructed, before a factory opens, a question must be asked. What will this project change? That question is answered through an environmental impact assessment, or EIA. An EIA is a structured process used to evaluate how a proposed project may affect air, water, soil ecosystems, and communities before construction begins. It's not about stopping development, it's about predicting consequences. Let's break it down. Step 1, screening. Does the project require a full assessment? Step 2, scoping. Which environmental factors could be affected? Step 3, impact analysis. How will emissions, land use, water flow, or biodiversity change? Step 4, mitigation planning. How can negative impacts be reduced? Step 5, public consultation and review. Are communities informed and concerns addressed? This turns environmental science into a decision tool. Now let's make it practical. Imagine a new highway cutting through farmland. Without assessment, habitats are fragmented, noise increases, air pollution rises, water drainage shifts. With EIA, wildlife corridors are added, noise barriers are built, drainage systems are redesigned, sensitive areas are avoided. The project still happens, but smarter. Now another example, a hydroelectric dam. Without EIA, river ecosystems collapse, fish migration stops, communities downstream lose water access. With EIA, fish ladders are installed, flow rates are regulated, compensation and relocation plans are developed. Environmental damage is reduced, not eliminated, but minimized. This concept was strengthened globally after large industrial projects in the 20th century caused unforeseen damage. Many modern EIA frameworks evolved following environmental legislation such as the National Environmental Policy Act, which formalized environmental review before major federal projects. Now zoom out. EIA is not just environmental protection, it's risk management. Investors evaluate environmental risk before financing projects. Governments assess long-term infrastructure costs. Communities evaluate health and safety implications. Poor assessments lead to lawsuits, project delays, financial loss. Strong assessments reduce uncertainty. That's why EIA procedures are embedded within international development standards. Organizations like the United Nations and global financial institutions integrate environmental impact review into infrastructure funding, climate adaptation, and development planning frameworks. Environmental science becomes a checkpoint, not an afterthought. Now here's the key insight. An EIA doesn't guarantee zero impact. It guarantees awareness. Before we end, zoom out one last time. Environmental impact assessment teaches a powerful lesson. Prevention is cheaper than repair. Environmental science provides the analysis. Policy provides the requirement. Projects adapt accordingly. In the next episode, we'll explore green jobs and careers in environmental science, where we'll see how this knowledge translates into real-world opportunities across energy, policy, technology, and conservation. This series is part of the Learning Studio, where environmental systems are explained with clarity, structure, and real-world relevance. This isn't about paperwork. This is about foresight.